All right, today we're going to bring a packing wrap, a manual packing wrap system. This is perfect for those that own businesses that have to pack a lot of boxes or shipping items, and you want to plastic wrap them. This is a perfect way to do it. Now, it does not come with the actual packing wrap. You got to set that up. You got to purchase that, but it's very simple. All you got to do is put it in this base here. All right, you place it in the base, and then you close it up at the top. Make sure you close it up on this facing down, right? And then you lock it in place. All right, that's pretty much how it looks. Pretty much how it works. Just make sure that you got the proper size. This is a little larger. We're gonna have to order a new one. So just to let you know, only certain size work on this one. You hang on with the two hands, right? I got it. Hold lower.